You bite, and then you give it to him with an open hand.
Okay. What is that one's name?
Which one? She is Najwa.
And that one? And that one?
Yeah, this one is Najwa. You want to in your hand?
Your hands.
Flat.
Oh!
Oh, Justin! No, you mustn't get scared. I won't bite you.
Oh, he's about to eat my fingers.
No!
Keep it flat.
Closer, Justin.
There you go.
And that goes to...
This one is Ishan.
And that's the white one.
She is Shavera.
And this gray one.
You want to give?
Yeah.
Not this one. Give it.
Oh, you bite me?
No.
She's very skittish. She's very scared of people.
Oh.
Ah, hello, Leafy.
Shame.
And this one is going to be a mommy soon.
His name is, her name is?
Verasha.
Oh, that girl, and that one, the brown one?
She's she.
No, go with that one.
So that is Victor.
Victor, and that one?
He is Shakal.
Oh, okay.
Remember what I told you about horses pulling their ears back?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
Is it? Oh.
So stay away from him. This one is better.
Oh, he's just aggressive?
He's a boy. He's a naughty, naughty boy.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm not allowed to do that. Whoa!
No, Justin, it's okay. We're just saying hello, okay?
Just say hello. No?
Whoa, flies!
Okay.
Shoo!